So I found this ceramic speed shine flake kit at AutoZone. So I figured I'd give it a try and test it on a couple vehicles. Another great thing about this kit is the actual towel. You can use it up to 20 times. So that way all that you will ever have to do is buy a new bottle of the ceramic speed shine. I also picked up the hybrid ceramic wax as well. So before we get into this, I've always heard that you're supposed to do a clay and then a polish, but after I done one vehicle, I done a second and then a third, and I still haven't seen any marring or any micro scratches. Just remember to do this directly after a wash. Starting off, we shake the bottle. First thing you should always do when claying is the windows. You don't have to use the speed shine detailer on the windows, but I did just to see how it would do. If you're still watching, thank you, and please hit the subscribe button. All the windows are done. Now we move on to the paint. So whenever I start cleaning the vehicle, you'll actually be able to hear it cleaning the vehicle. Just like any other clay, you'll be able to tell whenever the surface is decontaminated. And here we have the final product. Overall, the outcome of this product is absolutely amazing for the price. Does it get the vehicle absolutely perfect? No. But, I mean, it still does a good job. windows with Griots ceramic glass cleaner. Except for all the lint on the windows, look at how clean they are. I did go back over the hood and both fenders with the Griots 3-in-1 ceramic hybrid wax. On this Genesis, it's been about a month since I've done the clay kit on it.